Hello everyone! Today we'll do our experiment video on Arduinos. Before we begin, you need two things. First, you need a complete set of Arduino kit.
And you need to download the Arduino software for the coding.
The goal of this experiment is to build a traffic light controller.
And here are the tools that you need to use.
Here's the breadboard, here's Arduino, here's the wires that you need to use. You need 3 reds, 1 yellow, 2 blacks, and a green. And here's the resistors, and here's the connector, and here's the LED. You have the red, the green, and we don't have any yellows, so we're using the blue.